So from the last video, we ascertained that we weren't going to be able to just run PHP files in the browser, and that they're going to have to be run in a server context, which is why we are using PyZocloud. So I'm going to go ahead and get a quick server spun up. So whatever your server name you want to be, you want to pick PHP and MySQL, even though we're not going to be using it yet, PHP Apache. And that's all we really need. Waiting. Okay. And so PHP is going to be run on the PyZocloud server. And so let's get rid of this and let's talk about a basic PHP file. So PHP file has a .php file extension. And starts like this, angle bracket question mark PHP. So kind of like how unlike JavaScript, this has to be at the top of every file. There's a special syntax, and kind of like if you remember your HTML, with the top being exclamation point doc type HTML. So this has to be at the top of all of our PHP files. So how can we get started with PHP? So the first command I'm going to teach you is the echo command. And you can kind of treat this like JavaScript's console.log. So if I say echo hello world, and then with an exclamation point, or sorry, not an exclamation point, a semicolon, we're not going to do anything with the browser yet, so I'm going to run this in a terminal environment. And so our server, we have a terminal for our server, and if I cd into public HTML, do ls, you can see our PHP file, and if I do php space index.php, you'll see hello world printed. And so, like I said, you can think of echo kind of like console.log. And so you'll notice that PHP has strings like JavaScript. And so you can do single quotes or double quotes. It's got numbers, 55. And you'll see that. You can do math on those numbers. It's got booleans, null, so it's got pretty much the same stuff that JavaScript has in terms of types and values and what you can do with them. So that stuff is not going to be much different. So that's all I got for now. We'll see you in the next video.